The reason behind going minimum like £25, minimum £30, like $35 with any product you sell is purely because it's very difficult to make money below that point. For like 2 point, Etsy doesn't matter that much, but like customer service wise, you just have so many messages. Poor people are the worst customers. And if you're selling stuff for £5, they're probably going to be cheap customers. So you're just going to get a bunch of bullshit and a bunch of problems. So I would say don't do something like that. If you are going to do something like that and it's very, very cheap, 0.4, 400 grams, £3.69. I mean, really, like, if you're not doing large quantities, your only options really like Every or Royal Mail. The only way to do something really cheap and get really cheap postage is if you do large letters. It's 2.5 centimeters. 2.5 centimeters is a large letter, which you can ship with Royal Mail. It'll be like £1.50. But if you can't do that, it's like things like necklaces and stuff, you can do that.